Have you ever stood up from a chair only to feel your legs wobble just a little? Or maybe, after a long day, you notice your steps aren't as strong as they used to be. Here's a little-known truth. Your legs are often the first to show signs of weakness as we age. But what if I told you that you could turn back the clock starting right at your dinner table? I know it's hard to admit when our bodies don't feel as powerful, as full of life as they once did. But I've been there too. That subtle fear that today's weakness might become tomorrow's struggle. The good news is our bodies are constantly renewing, and with the right foods we can feed our strength from the inside out. Today I'm sharing 3 foods that have changed the game for me, and they can do the same for you. Ready to stand tall again? Let's dive in. First up, spinach. Not just for cartoon sailors, spinach is packed with magnesium and potassium. These minerals are what your muscles crave. They help with muscle contraction and nerve signals. Add a handful to your smoothie or toss some fresh leaves into a salad. You'll be amazed at how energized your legs will feel over time. Next, salmon. Think of salmon as fuel for your body's engine. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help fight inflammation and keep your muscles supple. Plus, it's loaded with protein, essential for rebuilding and maintaining strong leg muscles. Grill it, bake it, or toss it in a bowl with greens. Your legs will thank you. And finally, sweet potatoes. I grew up thinking sweet potatoes were just for holidays, but they're actually a powerhouse every day of the year. They're loaded with vitamin A, C, and complex carbs. The slow-releasing energy keeps your legs going, whether you're walking, climbing, or dancing in the kitchen. I know it's easy to overlook small changes, but small steps add up. Every meal is a chance to invest in your future self. So next time you plan your grocery list, remember spinach, salmon, and sweet potatoes. They might just be your secret weapon for strong, confident legs. I want to hear from you. Have you noticed any changes in your strength lately? Or do you have a favorite leg-strengthening food I didn't mention? Drop a comment below and let's inspire each other to keep moving forward, one strong step at a time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips that truly make a difference. Take care of yourself, your legs, and your future self will thank you.